Triton comes with a 2.4 liter MyVec turbo diesel engine, and it comes with the VGT intercooler. And straight away I can hear that this car is so much softer, quiet than the previous models, and so much comfortable. It's like a car rather than a pickup truck. You know, truck's supposed to be rugged and go through muddy terrains and all that. This one is the best of both worlds. You can use it on weekends for fishing, you can use it to carry things on weekdays for your work. It's very enjoyable to drive, very comfortable. Sporty, it's powerful when you want to go uphill and need some extra boost of power. You can just press the pedal shift, down shift, and you have so much of torque of 430 Newton meters torque. As a super select forward drive mode over at this side, and you can shift on the fly. It has 7 SRS airbags, the forward collision mitigation system with warning and autonomous functions, and also the blind spot warning with lane change assist. It also comes with a hill start assist and with hill descent control. Then come with the active stability traction control. You know, this car has lots of safety features. It's good for ladies. You can bring your children. There's 2 ISOFIX child seat mounts at the back. I really like the individual rear air circulator with fan speed adjustments over here. You can adjust from the front with a button over here. You can switch it off and on. Over at the front, I'm looking at the meter cluster. It's very informational. With the button over here, I can switch into different display information across the meter cluster. There's also 3 USB ports, 1 at the front and 2 at the back for the back passengers. It has a touchscreen audio with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto Ready. I think this is a very good new feature for cars, and we can use it to integrate it with our Waze and also our Google Maps. So you can look at the screen over at the audio system instead of the phone. So you don't need to have a phone holder over here. So overall, I really like the Mitsubishi Triton VGT Adventure X. It comes in this color, the white diamond, and also black mica. But this is the hero color for this model. I really like that it has so many safety features, and the stylish and bold designs from the dynamic shield face, and the power. It's super powerful, and what I like most is the torque with 430 Newton meters of torque. Perfect. If you like to see videos of me driving cars and also car reviews, do drop me a message on my comment section below. I really hope that you will press the subscribe button and the bell button for notifications on new videos that are coming up. Do like my Facebook page and also my Instagram page at Leona Chin. See you guys. Bye bye.